In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to use Steam gift card. Let's get started. First, launch your Steam app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, now at the top right, you're gonna find your username. Click on that. The fund options will appear. Click on the option account details. Now go ahead and click on the option account details. Then click on the option add fund to your Steam wallet. With that, you'll be directed to this page where you're gonna find the option redeem a Steam gift card or wallet. All you have to do is click on this option. Now grab your Steam gift card and flip it over. You'll see a scratch of area on the back. Use a coin to gently scratch it and reveal your code. Once you have the code, enter it carefully into the box on your screen. Before using it, you can also check your current wallet balance to see how much you have before adding the funds. After entering the code, click continue and within seconds, you should see a success message. Your Steam wallet balance will instantly update with the amount from your gift card. And you can confirm it by checking the balance next to your profile name at the top right. And that's it. That's how you can use a Steam gift card. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.